Worldwide Brands Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, we're diving deep into an honest review of Worldwide Brands, a directory service that claims to connect you with certified, legitimate wholesalers. Before we get started, I want to mention that the links to the products and services I discuss are included in the description below. Let's cut to the chase. Worldwide Brands is a service designed primarily for e-commerce entrepreneurs, particularly those in dropshipping, Amazon FBA, or small retail businesses. If you're looking for a reliable source of suppliers that offer authentic products at wholesale prices, this platform could be of interest. But is it worth your time and investment? Let's find out. Worldwide Brands offers access to a vast directory of wholesalers and dropshippers, over 16 million certified products from thousands of suppliers. The key selling point here is that these suppliers are pre-vetted, ensuring that you're not dealing with middlemen or scammers. This is particularly valuable for beginners or those who have been burned by shady suppliers in the past. The database is updated regularly, and all suppliers meet strict criteria to ensure they can provide genuine wholesale prices and quality service. The platform's user interface is relatively straightforward. You can search by product category, specific items, or even by supplier. Each listing includes detailed information about the supplier, including contact details, minimum order requirements, and shipping options. However, be prepared for a bit of a learning curve if you're new to navigating such directories. While it's user-friendly, it might take some time to get fully comfortable with all the features. Now, let's talk about who this service is made for. If you're serious about starting or scaling an e-commerce business, and you understand the value of working directly with wholesalers, Worldwide Brands could be a game changer. It's particularly useful if you're focusing on niche products or if you want to expand your product offerings without getting bogged down by inventory management, as many of these suppliers offer dropshipping. However, it's important to mention that Worldwide Brands comes with a one-time fee, which might be a deterrent for some, especially if you're just testing the waters of e-commerce. The cost could be seen as an investment in your business, but only if you plan to use it extensively. If you're looking for something with a lower upfront cost, you might want to explore other options first. In summary, Worldwide Brands is a legitimate and valuable resource for those who are serious about sourcing products directly from wholesalers. But like any tool, it's only as good as how you use it. Make sure to assess your business needs before diving in. If you're committed to your e-commerce journey, this platform could offer a significant boost. That's it for this review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights. And as always, check the links in the description for more details. Thanks for watching.